Welcome to my class. Today's chapter is 27, carboxylic acid. Look, this is vinegar. Vinegar is used as a preservative, and look, aspirin. Aspirin is used as a medicine, and here vitamin C, and this lemon. Lemon contain which acid? Do you know lemon contain which acid? Citric acid. This is the weak acid. This all weak acid contain. This vinegar contain. This ethanoic acid contain. Vinegar, ethanoic acid. Yes, ethanoic acid. 6 to 10% solution of ethanoic acid is called vinegar. We can make vinegar in our chemistry lab. Ethanoic acid we have. This is aspirin. This is called also. This is called a weak acid. This weak acid, the functional group is weak acid. This weak acid is carboxylic acid. This is the carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid. Acids such as ethanoic acid, this vinegar contain ethanoic acid is carboxylic acid. They contain functional group COOH. Mane how many carbon here? 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, 1 H. Okay. This is the functional group. We write this the structural formula. Displayed formula of this functional group this way. Here is contain carbon carbon, double bond, carbon oxygen double bond, and alcohol this way. This is the functional group of carboxyl group COOH. Okay. This is the carboxylic acid, functional group of carboxylic acid, and its displayed formula is this way. You know, carbon contain 4 bond. This is 2 bond is with oxygen, and 1 bond is here, and 1 bond is alcohol. This is the functional group of carboxylic acid. Functional group of carboxylic acid. Okay. Okay. Today, what is the general formula of carboxylic acid? General formula, this carboxylic acid, like I write make the general formula of carboxylic acid from a compound. Like this is ethanoic acid. I know this ethanoic acid is this way. CH3 COOH. Okay, this contain carbon is CN H2N 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 plus 1. How many carbon? Carbon is 1. Oh, oxygen is double. I give this way. Okay, this is how many. If I put it 2, what will be this one? How many carbon here? 2 carbon, 1 and 2 carbon. How many hydrogen in ethanoic acid? 3 and 1, 4. And how many oxygen? 1 and 1, 2. Okay, ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. So general formula will be CN H2N 00 oxygen 2. CN H2N oxygen 2. This is the general formula of carboxylic acid. So what will be named this compound? We write the do you know this? What is the name this compound? What is the name this compound? I'll ask randomly. Don't give us question answer, anyone. If I am asking this. Okay, what is the name this compound? Say. What is the name this compound? What is IUPAC name? Hello student. What is IUPAC name this compound?
Propane.
Huh? What?
Propane.
Propane. Okay, this propane prop because 1 2 3 carbon in a chain, so prop 3 carbon in a chain, prop. We know 1 carbon in a chain meet, 2 carbon in a chain eat, 3 carbon in a chain prop, 5 carbon in a chain, 4 carbon in a chain butte, 5 carbon in a chain pant, 6 carbon in a chain hex. This is the prefix and this is the alkane, so suffix will be n, ANEN. So propane, so this one is propane. Okay, propane. Propane. We write the name of the carboxylic acid. We write from their compound. This is the carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the carboxylic acid. Why this is carboxylic acid? Why is it carboxylic acid? Why is it carboxylic acid? For which reason is it? It is carboxylic acid. Why we say this is carboxylic acid? Hello student, why is it carboxylic acid? Okay, this one is alcohol. Why this one is alcohol? CH3 CH2OH, because OH functional group. Functional group is OH. This the functional group is hydroxyl group. Functional group. Here is it carboxylic acid because carboxylic acid group is functional group. Okay, this is the carboxylic acid group is this one is functional group, this is carboxylic group. Okay, how many carbon in the chain? 1 2. This one will be include 1 2 3. Okay, you write the name. You write the name. You pick name using this way. 1 2 3. You write from alkane name, from all acid, all compounds name, others except alkane, all others except alkane and alkene and alkyne, others compound name you write from the alkane. Like this is the propane. This is the propane. So 1 2 3. You write this the propane. Propane. From alkane you write name propane. Okay, here is a E. Propane. Is it propane? Is it not propane? Okay, 1 2 3 4. It is carboxylic acid. So what will do? You will remove if carboxylic acid at first you write propane, alkane right, then you cut E. In place of E you write oic, oic, then space and you write acid. So what is the name this compound name? What is the name this compound? Hello student, are you watching my screen? Propanoic acid. Good. Is it Sadman? Rafid. Good. Okay, this I am giving this another acid. Okay, CH3. You count all carbon atom. How many total carbon atom? If okay, what is the name this compound? How many carbon here? 1 2. So it what will be, if it is alkane, what will be alkane? What? Huh? Huh? What is the name this compound? You write from a alkane. If it is alkane, how many carbon? 1 2 1 and 2. Eh, try to. If it is alkane, it will be ethane. It will ethane. Okay, you cut E. You cut E. Add here is oic acid. Oic acid. So what is the name this compound? Hello? Its name is ethanoic acid. Its name is ethanoic acid. Okay, you look this compound name CH3 count carbon, total carbon. Total carbon. So how many carbon here total? 4 carbon. Okay, so what will be name this compound name?
Butanoic acid.
Butanoic acid. Good. It is, if it will be, if alkane, it will be butane, but 4 carbon but. So N butane, but it is not butane. So you don't write E, you write oic. Butanoic acid. Okay, acid. Okay, butanoic acid. Okay, so naming is this one name. Page number 158. Page 158. Look, there is a how many carbon? Look here. Syllabus. Okay, carboxylic acid contain which functional group? This one. I understand how the draw the structure and split formula of unbranched carboxylic acid and 4 molecules, and describe the reaction of in aqueous solution of carboxylic acid with metals and carbonate. And they know that vinegar is an aqueous solution containing ethanoic acid. This is the syllabus here. So we learn now function. We learned that carboxylic acid contain functional group, this one. Okay, this methanoic acid, how many carbon and how many hydrogen? This is the structure formula, displayed formula. Methanoic acid, how many carbon? 1 carbon. That no. একটু পরে আমি কাজ করব। Okay, this is the general formula CnH2n02. Okay, name. So at first is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Okay, I should this one side decrease. Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Okay, methanoic acid, how many carbon here? 10 minutes remaining. How many carbon here? 1 carbon. So 1 carbon I put here, Cn, put here Cn equal to 1, 2 to N equal to 1 and oxygen 2. So what is this? C1 H2 O2. Okay, this is the molecular formula of methanoic acid. C H2 C1 একটা carbon hydrogen 2 oxygen 2. Okay, and structure formula is 1 hydrogen, and we write this one C. This is the functional group COOH. এটা H. Okay, hydrogen একটা hydrogen, this H. And displayed formula is, at first you write this way, carbon here, this carbon oxygen, double bond, this carbon oxygen, in another this carbon oxygen, alcohol group OH. This is the functional group of carboxylic acid. This one, then 1 hydrogen is remaining. This is the displayed formula of methanoic acid. Okay, now I am writing next one is methanoic acid finished. Now I'll write these things for then I write ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Okay, how many carbon here? Ethanoic acid. How many carbon I will put? Ethanoic acid. It 2 carbon in a branch. So I'll put here N equal to 2. N equal to 2. I'll put N equal to 2. So I am putting N equal to 2. What will be general formula? N equal to 2. Put, if I put N equal to 2, what will be general formula? Hello students, say earlier than me. Okay, C2. Okay, C carbon 2, hydrogen 2 into 2, 4. Don't say C2H4O2, oxygen 2. Okay, that means C2 carbon 2 hydrogen 4 oxygen 2. Okay, this is the molecular formula of ethanoic acid. And what will be structural formula for this is the 2 carbon, this is CH3, then COH, this is the carboxylic acid group CH3. Okay, now C double O, this one we know, this thing is functional group is this one, carboxylic acid functional group this way, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, OOH. Okay, this one. And here is a this carbon contains 3 hydrogen, 1 2 3. Okay, this is the ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid, this is the ethanoic acid molecular formula, structure formula, displayed formula. Okay, ethanoic acid, then which acid? Hello student, then which acid? Propanoic acid. Okay, it is for your you will do this one you. Okay, now I am doing the next butanoic acid. Okay, butanoic acid I am doing butanoic acid. This is the butanoic acid, butanoic acid. Okay, butanoic acid, how many carbon in a chain? But means 4 carbon in a chain. So I put here n equal to 4 in the general formula. I put n equal to 4, and here n equal to 4, n equal to 4. Okay, that means here how many carbon? Carbon will be 4 carbon, and hydrogen is 2 into 4, 8 hydrogen, oxygen 2, C4H8. Oxygen, how many hydrogen? How many hydrogen in a butanoic acid? How many hydrogen? Carbon is 4, hydrogen is 8, oxygen is remain 2, same, oxygen is 2. Okay, this is C4H2 H8 or 2, oxygen 2. I can copy paste. Okay, now I write the this structural formula. Okay, is each compound here, this the difference CH2 group, here will be this how many carbon? 4 carbon. Okay, so 4 carbon will be first to write this, the functional group is COH, this one COH, 1 carbon, then in the middle this is the methylene group CH2, and this is the CH3 finally. Okay, this is the butanoic acid. This is the butanoic acid structural formula. And what will be displayed formula? Butanoic acid, here is no place, here I can't write this one because it's small place. Will be able to write? No. Okay, now I write the displayed formula. This is the structural formula of butanoic acid. And what will be displayed formula? This one, this at first carboxylic acid. Student, less than 1 minute remaining. I'll take another meeting. You join this one. I will arrange this meeting. This is the functional group, this one. Okay, you solve this problem. Propanoic acid now solve. Propanoic acid solved now. Okay, 1 minute remaining. You solve propanoic acid and submit to WhatsApp group, WhatsApp number, to my WhatsApp number, not group. CH2. Less than 1 minute. This one done. Then this one, this H, and finally less than 1 minute remaining. You solve propanoic acid. You will draw the propanoic acid molecular formula, structural formula, displayed formula, and submit to my WhatsApp number. Less than 1 minute remaining. That means 10 seconds may be remaining. Okay, I have drawn the structural formula of butanoic acid, molecular formula butanoic acid, and displayed formula of butanoic acid. And your task is you do propanoic acid. Propanoic acid, this one. At first you write molecular formula, then this structure formula, then this thing already done. We will solve this one. Okay, properties of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So what will be pH? pH of acid. This is the weak acid. So pH is 3 to 5. pH is 3 to 5. What will be effect on the litmus paper? What do the acid do? Litmus paper changes. What is the effect if you put the solution containing carboxylic acid in the litmus paper? What will be changed in the color litmus paper? Blue litmus paper will be. What will be color? It is carboxylic acid is a acid. Are you listening me? What will be changed in color of litmus paper in carboxylic acid? If we put the solution, there will blue litmus paper turn into red. Blue litmus paper will turn into red. Okay. So this is the pH of carboxylic acid. It is a weak acid. We can take weak acid like citric acid in lemon, tartaric acid in tamarind. This is the weak acid. For this reasons we take formic acid, vinegar, ethanoic acid. We take these things. This is the for this is the reason is weak acid. Its pH is about 3 to 5. It turn blue litmus paper into red. Okay, there is no things. It is last class topics. I am showing this the main book. Reaction of acid. Carboxylic acid. When acid react with metal, what is form? When acid react with metal, do you know what is the when acid react with metal, which substance is formed? We have I taught these things. The acids chapter, acid base salt chapter. When acid react with metal, which substance form? When acid react with metal, which substance form? Acid react with metal, form metal salt, form metal salt and a gas. Do you know the name the gas? Metal salt and a gas. Do you know what is the name this gas? When acid react with metal, form metal salt and a gas. Which gas? Which gas form? Hello? Which gas form when acid react with metal? Gas name is hydrogen gas. Okay, when acid react with metal, form hydrogen gas. Like this HCl acid acid react with metal like sodium, form its salt, sodium chloride, salt, and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is H2O. Hydrogen gas is H2O. So this reaction is not balanced. Hydrogen here is a 2, here is a hydrogen is 1. So I should put here 2 coefficient, hydrogen 2. Now chlorine become 2. I put here 2. Chlorine is balanced. Now chlorine has sodium 2. I put here 2 balance. This is the reaction. This is the when acid react with metal, form metal salt. It's metal salt and hydrogen. Okay. Now when this carboxylic acid react, which carboxylic acid? Any carboxylic acid like this carboxylic acid, which carboxylic written given here? Here given ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid when react with that what is this? Okay, when ethanoic acid react with a metal form sodium ethanoate, magnesium ethanoate. This is the salt and hydrogen. Okay, this is the reaction. When ethanoic acid react with magnesium, a lot of fizzing to produce produces salt and hydrogen. Fizzing means hydrogen gas, bubbles. Fizzing means bubbles of hydrogen gas. Okay, the salt is formed magnesium ethanoate, and which is soluble in water, and so we get colorless solution. So this reaction is from colorless solution, and we find also fizzing. When we add magnesium, when we dilute ethanoic acid, and magnesium react from fizzing. Look, this is fizzing occur. This is the reaction between magnesium and ethanoic acid. This is the fizzing. Who is gas fizzing? Okay, this is the bubbles, some gas, a gas. What is the name this gas? Fizzing, due to fizzing. Where is the fizzing? Why here is the fizzing? Due to a gas. Do you know the name this gas? Say the name the gas. Are you listening me? What is this? What is the name this gas? This is the fizzing bubbles. What is the name this gas? इधर के दौड़े अब में फाबिया बोलो Fahmid what is the name the gas? As a fizzing due to a gas. Which gas? Here reaction is between magnesium and ethanoic acid, metal and acid. Don't know, na? Okay, when acid react with metal, form metal salt and hydrogen gas. Which gas? hydrogen gas. Here is a hydrogen gas. Okay, here I have taken acid, taken this, look, metal is magnesium and acid is ethanoic acid. So salt, ethanoate, magnesium ethanoate, salt and hydrogen gas. So here bubbles is due to this fizzing, or bubbles is due to the hydrogen gas. Okay, okay, this is if metal react with carbonate, acid react with carbonate, acid react with carbonate is, I have already taught, acid react with carbonate, carbonate salt, carbonate, it form metal carbonate, carbonate salt, it form salt form, water form, and a gas is formed. Do you know this? What is the name this gas? When acid react with metal, which gas is formed? Carbonate. When acid react with metal, form hydrogen gas. When acid react with carbonate salt, this gas is
Carbon dioxide.
yes, carbon dioxide gas. Okay, this carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so when acid react with carbonate salt, three products: salt, water, salt, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, so here that tequila. Okay, look, this is acid react with metal carbonate, form salt, sodium acetate, carbon dioxide gas and water. Okay, if calcium carbonate, this is the carbonate and acid, so calcium carbonate, this is ethanoic acid, so calcium ethanoate, this is the salt, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, finish this chapter. Next chapter is stirred. Okay, this look, which functional group here present? Which functional group in this compound? A is alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid. B, option B, alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid. C option, alkene and carboxylic acid. D option, alcohol and carboxylic acid. Which functional group present in this compound? This compound, choose answer from them. Which functional group present? You know this functional group: alcohol functional group, carboxylic functional group, alkene functional group. Look, this is the OH. What is the name this functional group? OH. Alcohol. Total is this one. This C double O, oxygen, carboxylate. So we have found already two, alcohol and carboxylate. Here is a carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond is alcohol, alkene or carboxylic acid. Carbon-carbon double bond. So everything here present. 10 minutes remaining. So this is alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid. Which option is correct? A. Yes, good, good. Okay. Okay, thank you for joining today's class.